Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be continuing our session on SAP sales and distribution, and we'll be focusing on how to create a business partner in the SAP S for Hana system. So basically a business partner refers to our customers, and before we can have any sales transaction record in our SAP system, we need to create our customers as business partners in the system, and this is how to go about it. So we'll first begin on the SAP Fiori home screen. We drop down on our groups list, and then we select our business partner master group, and then we move on to clicking on our maintain business partner tab. On this page, we click on the organization tab to begin our creation of the business partner. And so to begin the creation, we first have to select our grouping, our accounts grouping, and this field impacts on the business partner number that will be created for our business partner. So we select the appropriate account grouping, and then we move on to filling out the title, which is company, then the name of the organization that we are creating. In this case, we are creating Steel Trading Company Limited. After this, we move on to filling out our salutation field. And then we move on to filling out our search term. So this is the term that will enable the system identify this business partner when we are searching for it. So after the search term has been filled, we move on to filling our street address data. So we begin with the street and the house number of our business partner. And then we move on to the postal code and then the city. After which we fill out the country and then the region in which our customer is found. Then after which we fill out our PO box address. So the post office box, and then the postal code. And then we move on to filling out our language field. So these are just, so for the language field, the SAP supports a lot of languages. So whichever is your preferred language, you can select it. I'll be selecting English. But then these fields are just a few of the fields that are filled when you are creating your business partner. But you can fill as many as you have. So as much information as you have concerning the customer, you can fill it out here. So now I'm filling out the email address. And then when I'm done, I'll hit on check. to just check whether I have filled the appropriate or the mandatory fields that will require the system to create this business partner. So it's telling me this account grouping has external number assignment. You can either input the external number, but then in this case, I'll just change the account grouping, and then I'll move on to save my business partner. And then I would move on to save my business partner, and then the system will generate a BP number, which will be used in our various sales documents. And so this is how to go about creating a business partner in the system. And this information we have just filled is the general data of the business partner. And to use a business partner in terms of sales and distribution, we'll have to extend this business partner to the sales and distribution view. So please look out for the change business partner video that will be coming up. And I hope to see you in that session. Thank you for joining us today.